Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Today we are going to learn English. What subject? English subject. Today we are going to learn in English. Last week we have completed lesson 2. Do you all remember that? No? What's the name of the lesson? I show you the picture. From that picture you can guess it. What picture is it? Sheep. Very good. What's the name of the lesson? Now you find out? Yes. The lost sheep. T-H-E the L-O-S-T lost S-H-E-E-P sheep. The lost sheep. In that lesson we learned one story, no? Yes. Do you all remember the characters in the lesson? What are the characters? Yes, very good. Rabbit, squirrel, fox, and then bee, and the boy and the sheep. These are the characters. We learned it. You all remember it, no? I hope you all enjoyed that story also. Yes, today we are going to learn one new poem. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn one new poem. What's the spelling for poem? P-O-E-M, poem. 2. First poem what we learn? We learn very good. To the moon poem we learn. Today we are going to learn the poem 2. I show you one picture. What picture is this? Yes, very good. You all are right. What is this? Where can you see this? You can see it in the sky, no? What color is it? White color. Very good, very good. And then what is it? Clouds. Very good. What's the spelling for clouds? C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. What's the spelling for clouds? C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Today we are going to learn a poem about clouds. Look at here, children. What is this? Here also we can see clouds now in the sky. Yes. And look at this cloud. How does it look like? It looks like one animal, no? Yes. What animal? Do you guess it? Yes, you are right. It looks like a sheep. It looks like a sheep. This cloud is looking like a sheep. Okay. Now we are going to learn it. Look at here. Now we are going to read the poem. W-H-I-T-E white. S-H-E-E-P sheep. White sheep. W-H-I-T-E white. S-H-E-E-P sheep. White sheep. White sheep. O-N on. Yeah. B-L-U-E blue. H-I-L-L hill. On a blue hill. W-H-E-N wind. T-H-E the. W-I-N-D wind. S-T-O-P-S chops. S-T-O-P-S chops. Wind. Wind means what? Moving air. Moving air is called wind. Okay. Now, Y-O-U-U-A-L-L all. S-T-A-N-D stand. S-T-I-L-L still. You all stand still. What is there? White sheep on a blue hill. What's the sheep? The sheep is on a hill, no? Yes, the sky is blue only, no? So they tell you about the white sheep is on the blue hill. And look at the next one. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind stops, the cloud also stop. Stand in one place only, no? It can't move. When it blows only, the cloud can move. When the wind stops, the cloud also stand in one place. And look at the next one. W-H-E-N wind. T-H-E the. W-I-N-D wind. B-L-O-W-S blows. When the wind blows, when the wind moves, what happened? Y-O-U-U. W-A-L-K walk. A-W-A-Y away. S-L-O-W slow. You walk away slow. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. When the wind blows, what happened? The cloud, the sheep-like cloud, moves slowly from one place to other. But the wind does not blow. What happened? The cloud stand in one place. And look at here. W-H-I-T-E white. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. White sheep, W-H-I-T-E, white, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, white sheep. W-H-E-R-E, where, D-O, do, Y-O-U-U, G-O, go. Where do you go? White sheep, where do you go? It's moving and going, no. Where the sheep is going, the author is asking. And who is that? Author of this poem, Christina, Christina, Rossetti, Rossetti, Christina Rossetti. The author of this poem is Christina Rossetti. Shall we read the poem once again? You all understand the poem, no? Yes. White sheep, white sheep. How the cloud looks like? It's white in color only, no? What shape is it? It looks like a sheep. White sheep on a blue hill. Where the sheep is? In the blue sky. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind stops, what happened? The cloud also stand in one place. It can't move. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. When the wind is blowing, what happened? The cloud moves slowly. White sheep, where do you go? You move and go now. Where you are going? The author is asking the sheep. You all understand the poem now? Who is the author of this poem? Christina Rossetti. Now we are going to do the book exercise. Part A, write T for true or F for false. Here we have a statement. If the statement is correct, we have to write T. If the statement is wrong, we have to write F. Now look at the first one. The white sheep or in a ship. The white sheep or in a ship or in a sky? It's in a sky. So the statement is wrong. Here they mentioned as F. And look at the second one. The white sheep stands still when the wind stops. When the wind stops, the white sheep cloud also stand in one place. So it's right or wrong? It's correct only, no? The white sheep stands still when the wind stops. It's true. So you have to write T. And look at the third one. The white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. When the wind blows, what happened? The cloud also moves slowly, no? So this is also the correct statement. We can write T. It's true only. And then look at the fourth one. The sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. Who makes the sheep to walk slowly? Who make? The wind only make, no? The sun is making? No, the statement is wrong. The wind only make the sheep like cloud to move slowly. But here they mentioned as sun. It's a wrong one. So what you have to write? You have to write F. You all understand it, no children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Next, what we have to do? Part B, read aloud with your teacher. What we are going to do? We are going to read these words. A, E, I, O, U, sound words. Shall we read it? You are going to read along with me. Okay? Look at here. A sound words first. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. And then H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. And then M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Then R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Next, look at the next one. What letter is this? E. Now we are going to learn E sound words. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. And then H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. And then P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. And then W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. And then now we are going to read I sound words. F-I-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. S-I-P, sip. S-I-P, sip. Now look at the next letter. What is this? O. Now we are going to read O sound words. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. And then H-O-T, heart. H-O-T, heart. Now we are going to read these words. What letter is this? U. U sound words we are going to read now. Look at here. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. And then N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Now you know it well, no children? You have to read these words again and again. Okay children? Shall we do the next one? Look at here. This is a fun time. Part C. What do you think are the white sheep? What do you think are the white sheep? Tick the correct word. The white sheep. You can see in the sky, you can see. Okay. What it's made of? Clouds or stars? What can you see in the sky just like a sheep? You look at the sky. The sky is looking like a sheep? No. The stars are looking like a sheep? No. And then the cloud only looks like a white sheep for us, no? Yes. So what you have to do? You have to give a tick in the clouds. The clouds are only looking like a sheep. Now you understand this, no children? The poem also you can understand, and then we complete the book exercise also. Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read and complete the page number 16 and 17 in your English reader. You have to read the poem in page number 16 and you have to complete the book exercise in page number 17, and you should have a practice of that reading the A-E-I-O-U sound also. Okay children? I hope you all enjoyed the poem. We will meet in the next session. Thank you children.